Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech, but otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet, and today I want to show you how you can clean off a Blu-ray disc. Now, here we got my boy Zombieland, man, big fan of Zombieland, loved it since way back in the day. Man, ain't it just awesome how much you can just see your reflection and everything off of this thing. You can see my whole room. That's awesome. That's not unsettling at all to me as a content creator. Anyways, so these things automatically have a really slick top, super slick, not supposed to get fingerprints on them, but as you can see, like, it happens. It happens. And then all you can do to get it off, there's not a lot you can do to get it off. Now, these things have great redundancy so that you can screw them up so many different ways. But if you get it screwed up, if you get a scratch on it, you either have to have it resurfaced, or you have to, the only thing you can do is get your softest cloth out. Now, you want something super snuggly, super snuggle soft, super not used, super new. You know what I mean when I say snuggle soft. Now, my buddies who were out there in the auto shop, no, you get your shop cloths that have been through the wash 100 times. You're going to get crap in there. You're going to get metal chips and stuff. So you got to get like your grandma's super softest wipe. And then what you want to do is you want to wipe it starting from the inside, going out. Inside, going out. If my other hand wasn't attached to the tripod, I would be touching this, and just to give you an idea, going outwards. Now, you don't want to be going like in circular motions, because if you do that, if you get a little piece of crud caught in here, you're going to be doing circular motions all over your disc and just putting figure eight scratches. I've seen it so many times. Now, once again, Blu-rays are different than DVDs, because if you put rubbing alcohol on them or anything, you're going to totally mess it up. The eye of the reader is not going to be able to read. The eye of the Blu-ray reader reads so much smaller than a CD or a DVD would. That's why you can get more onto a single disc. And yeah, so that's why you can't use it. If you can't just wipe it off, go around. If you see the one fingerprint, everyone knows how, you gotta get the right light and then bend it, and you can find it where that fingerprint is, and that's about the only way you can clean these things off and get them going. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me, Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. I hope it worked for you. If anyone can find a better way, leave it in the comments, and check the comments. I will leave a heart if somebody has a better version, but I'm telling you, this is about all you can do unless you want to resurface it. Now, if you want to resurface it, look up Listowel, Ontario, Little Shop of Heroes. They do some resurfacing, and after you get a scratch in it, that's all that you can do. And like, after you've tried this, if your reader just won't read it, you can try another reader. Maybe another reader will be better at reading it. But if you got a scratch, all you can do is literally sand it down and rebuff it with a surface refinisher. And I'm pretty sure he charges about $5 a pop. Little Shop of Heroes, Listowel, Ontario, Canada. Anyways, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe, like the stuff. It's always appreciated. And as usual, folks, take care of each other. Have a good one.